Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing several spring and Easter DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. In today's video, I'll be doing a collaboration with Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. You should totally check her channel out if you're into budget-friendly DIYs. Trash to treasure, clean with me. She basically does a little bit of everything. I'll be leaving the link to her channel down below so you can check her out. And of course, show her some love and let her know that I sent you.
Haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now.
For the first DIY, I started off by removing the handle and also the ribbon that was in the center of the basket, and after that I spray painted it all with this brown spray paint that I got from Walmart.
But we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove. But I guess that's over now. We've been
Next step, with a wire cutter, I just went ahead and cut up the yellow tulips.
Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now.
For the second DIY, I started off by adding some rope all over the plastic planter.
We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
To give the planter a little bit more detail, I went ahead and just painted the top with some ivory chalk paint. For the third DIY, I went ahead and just covered all of the 3 books with some craft brown paper. To put the 3 books together, I used some burlap ribbon and also I made a small bow with some twine. For the 4th DIY, it was super cute yet very simple to make. I just went ahead and replaced the colorful eggs with the white ones and added some roses on top.
I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
For the 5th DIY, I went ahead and spray painted this vase from Dollar Tree with a high gloss white spray paint. For the last and final DIY, I started off by spray painting the margarita cup with a white spray paint and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and once that was done drying, I added some rope all over the bottom of the cup.
I am not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't.
To make it look like a bird nest, I went ahead and added some Spanish moss onto the cup, and to give it the detail, some roses and of course the white eggs.
Something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.